For all of you who don't know, you're supposed to go poop sometimes right after you eat a meal. You eat breakfast. When you eat lunch, you shit out breakfast, as it were. I had a mother who taught nutrition for 40-something years. Yes, I do know to eat better. I'm working on it. So, for the past year and 2 months, I've been, it started out as constipated. Now it's impacted. Big difference. You go do your own research and tell me what you come up with. Because I'm always willing to be right. I'm not one of those that insist or have to be right. That's dumb. How are we going to learn anything if we insist on being right all the time? So the doctor's here. I live in Scottsbluff, Nebraska. Regional West Hospital is number 2 out of the top 10 worst hospitals in Nebraska. That's why I want to move to Omaha. They have a good hospital, good doctors. So the doctor here says, well, you get off Ozempic and then I'll give you this medicine. How the fuck are you going to tell somebody, I'm just going to let you die? Because you know people die after like 4 months of being constipated. Yeah. You do your research. So it's been a year and 3-4 months. And yes, I took all the ites and the sites and all that over-the-counter shit. Didn't do any good. So then I turned, of course, to what I love, natural medicine. And for a long time, I was, having a good movement every other day. And then all of a sudden, it just stopped. I don't know why. Hey, don't be mean to your brother. You're supposed to be best friends, cradle to grave. Figure it out. So I was talking to my big sister. Thank you, sis. And anywho, so I thought I'm going to go see, because I told him, I said, just give me colonics, just stick the hose up my butt, put some warm water in there, turn me on my side, let me take a nap and flush it all out. Nope, they won't do that either. They won't do that. I don't even know why there's a hospital here, because I'm on the neighborhood app. And of course, I talk to senior citizens all day, every day. They don't do this. They don't do that. Blah, blah, blah. So, of course, I got to keep myself well. So, and having a chat with Big Sis, I said, I need to find something more than an enema. I need to find a colonics machine at home. Ta-da. So, there aren't any, I'm going to do some careful videos. I couldn't find any videos on this system other than their own 2-second video just showing like in cartoon form, so they don't even put a cartoon human in there and put the thing up their butt. They had a little tube, like a tube that they put blood in at the hospital, and then they took this cord and put it in the tube to show water going up your colon. Yeah. Anywho, so you please know and believe I'm going to show as much as I can. If you shy, don't look at my videos. I don't want to hear your fucking shit about, oh, you're showing half of your butt. Well, at least you ain't seeing the booty hole. Be grateful, because when it comes to things like this, seniors, we got to really help each other. And even if you're not a senior, you need to go number 2 every single day. Yeah, stupid fucking Dr. Magana says, oh, there's a lot of people who only, go number 2 every couple of weeks. That's not normal. All that stuff is getting into your bones and your stomach and your veins and all that. You know what I'm trying to say. Go do your own damn research. So I'm going to get my shit out of me. And heal myself. That goes up your butt. Yes, trust and believe. I'm getting all this shit out. Just sitting here letting people die with all this bowel movement stuff up in the intestines. That's not a doctor. That's a fucking idiot, Magana. And then this one goes from bowl of water or whatever, supposed to put warm water in something, you put one in and it goes to the machine, and the other one goes from here to here, I think, and goes up your in your butt. There's a little pressure. That's why I got this. Because when you do an enema, there's really no pressure in doing an enema. Oh, let me keep the box. And that's what it looks like. See? Suck in water. Is today Saturday? Where are you going, princess? And goes into the tube that goes in your butt. Yeah. The thing said we could do this laying down, but I don't think that's a good idea. There you go. Oops, sorry. Thank you to all of those who drop in the inbox and give natural suggestions, because, you know, all that stuff over the counter. Okay, so I do, of course, still take, and it helps. So now it just started working again. I still take these every day. I don't know why. Sometimes it stops working, and then a month later it'll start up working again to where I have a decent sized poop. Now, I don't know if you know it. We're supposed to be looking in the toilet at our S-shaped poop, because that's how our intestines are, right? Nice, medium, light brown poop. Yeah. So yes, I still do take these, and I have little baby poops. But I need a few thousand real. I need the real stuff, baby. So, no, I'm not going to do it every single day. Come on now. I know we need some good bacteria up there. I know. Okay, so, and then the other thing is, you know, I'm juicing more this month. So let me make a separate video. I'll be right back. Because I want to title that just the Trauma and Personal Hygiene Cleanser thing on the YT.